Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. Today's video is called How to Build a Website Fast and Easy. If you haven't been here before, I can tell you that I am a full-time affiliate marketer. I've been doing affiliate marketing full-time since 2015. I have several websites. I have two websites that I work on a weekly basis that are really the biggest source of income for me in my business. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got those websites, where I got them, how I set them up, and where I get my hosting. And I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised as to how I did it and really how fast and easy it was. So thanks again so much for watching. A couple of things. We are using this article called How to Build a Website Fast and Easy. This is from my website, workathomeonlineforfree.com. I'm going to give you the link to this article in the description box. So anything that we talk about within this article, you can go here, you can use the links in the article, or I will also give you all the links in the description box to the video. Also, if you're not already a subscriber to this channel, I would love so much to have you on board. I do at least one video a week, sometimes several, all about topics having to do with making money online. So if you're interested in this topic, I would love to have you on board as a subscriber. Also, in the description box of this video, I'm going to give you a link to go ahead and subscribe to my email subscriber list. And if you're subscribed there, about once a week or so, you'll get an email from me, and it'll either be a blog post or an article or a video or a full tutorial, again, all about subjects having to do with how to make money online. So if you're already a subscriber, thanks so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you so much. I'm a new YouTube channel and I'm trying to move up in the ranks. So again, thanks so much for watching the video. If you like it, please give it a like because that helps us a lot. Okay, so let's get back to the video. How to build a website fast and easy. Having a website is the foundation of your business. It's where you'll be generating traffic, building relationships with your customers, getting followers, and generating revenue. I learned how to create websites by joining Wealthy Affiliate. They are one of the largest affiliate marketing training companies in the world. Now, if you've been here before, you've heard me talk about Wealthy Affiliate. They're the ones I recommend. If you're a brand new person, you're trying to learn affiliate marketing, you're trying to learn how to make money with your blog, or you're trying to learn how to just make money online in general, I always recommend Wealthy Affiliate. They're the ones that taught me. And like I say, going on, well, more than 5 years later now, because I started in 2015, I am a full-time affiliate marketer as a direct result of their training. So I built my websites with the training at Wealthy Affiliate. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. And obviously, I'm going to give you the link to go ahead and go do this if you want to. Okay. How to build a website fast and easy. Wealthy Affiliate has made their website platform one of the main focuses of their training. They have truly taken website creation, building, and management to a whole new level. The websites that you build at Wealthy Affiliate, they're WordPress-based websites. I'm sure that you recognize that term, WordPress. WordPress is one of the top website platforms in the world. Their websites are optimized for speed, security, and they're protected from spam and hackers. They're ready to succeed in any niche, so no matter what your topic is, you can use them to build your website. They're hosted on their state-of-the-art lightning speed hosting platform. And I'm going to give you a link in the description box to an article on my website that includes a video all about their hosting. So anyway, you need to know about that piece. All their websites come pre-installed with the most important plugins and feature enhancements. They're beautifully designed. You have 12 themes to choose from. As a free starter member with Wealthy Affiliate, you have more than 3,000 to choose from if you're a premium member. I'm going to tell you about that. You get one website completely free with your starter membership. Okay, Wealthy Affiliate has a free starter membership, and they have a premium membership that you pay for that's more advanced. In the starter membership is the training to set up your website. You get one website for free within the free starter program. Now, building a website literally takes 30 seconds. I want to I'm going to give you the link in this article. I'm going to give you a link in the description box to watch this video. This is a video by Kyle, who is one of the owners of Wealthy Affiliate, and Kyle is the one that does all the training. Wealthy Affiliate is step-by-step video training on how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, things like Shopify, anything having to do with making money online. They focus mostly on affiliate marketing, and that's what I do. And Kyle is the one on their website who does the training with us. So I'm giving you a link to Kyle's video that is how to set up your website in under 30 seconds. And it literally is. Now, if you're confused about this, let me tell you what this is. When you join Wealthy Affiliate, they teach you how to build a website, and they teach you how to be a successful affiliate marketer. Okay, so they have already pre-created WordPress websites for us. Now, those websites don't have any content. Okay, of course they don't. The content is for you to create. It's your website. But the websites are already set up with all the bells and whistles, all the stuff that like for search engine optimization, all the things that are going to get your website seen in Google. Google has a lot of requirements for what websites will rank and which ones won't. And by ranking, I mean, when you type something into Google, you're searching for something, those first websites on the very first page, that's called ranking. And obviously, I don't care how good your website is, I don't care how good your content is, if nobody is seeing it, if nobody can find it on the internet, then obviously it's useless. So they build the WordPress websites with all of that stuff already built in. They already have installed the plugins. They've already done all that. So you're not starting from scratch with a bare minimum, setting up all the mechanics of your website. It's done for you. So that's why they're saying building a website literally takes 30 seconds. It literally does. You go into Wealthy Affiliate. I'm going to give you the video, and this video is free. It's part of their free starter program. So you can go into this link I'm going to give you and watch this video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. In my article here, you're going to see a little interruption. This is just an invitation, again, for you to go ahead and sign up to my email list if you would like to. You can do that within this article, or you can do it in the link that I give you in the description box. They include the best website features. Wealthy Affiliate offers the most robust website platform with many Wealthy Affiliate-only features. They list them: site manager, site domain, site health, site comments, site SSL, content, images, email support. So it's a Wealthy Affiliate website hosted and built and created and serviced by Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so if you have, even if you're in the free starter program and you have one website that came free, you get all the bells and whistles, you get all the performance, you get all the maintenance. For example, they back up our websites automatically every single day. We have 24/7 tech support. If you have any sort of problem with your website, you can email support within minutes. You'll get an answer. All of that comes with it. Okay. Now, if you decide you'd like to try this out, like I said, I'm going to give you the link to that 30-second set up your website in 30-second video so you can actually see what this looks like. If you want to join Wealthy Affiliate, it is free. They have a free starter program that includes 20 free classes. And then if you upgrade to the premium membership, it has more than 100 more classes. Okay, so you can start the starter program, go through the classes, get your website, get it set up. By the time you get done with the free starter program, you have a really good understanding of what affiliate marketing is, how it works. You know how to become an affiliate for product and services. You know how to make money on your websites, all that sort of thing. And then if you get done with the free starter program and you decide that you would like to go further, maybe like me, you want to make it a full-time job. I wanted to make it my full-time job. So I upgraded to the premium membership because I wanted to keep going with all the training. You don't have to do that. You will still get your free website with the free starter membership, and you will keep your free website. You never have to pay for it, okay? But I just want to let you know the premium membership is available if you would want to go further. Now, I'm going to give you a link in the description box for my full review of Wealthy Affiliate, everything that's included in the free starter membership. And I'm also going to give you my link for my complete overview of the premium membership. And if you go in there, you're going to find you're going to be blown away. It is absolutely amazing what is in the premium membership for Wealthy Affiliate. And I don't like to screw around, and I don't like to do big sales pitches and all that stuff. So I'll just be upfront with you right now in case you're wondering how much. The free membership obviously is free. You get the free website, you get the free 20 classes, you get all kinds of training, all kinds of stuff in the free membership, and you never have to go any further than that. If you do decide to go with the premium membership, it's $19 for the first month. Okay, so for $19, you get to go in, try it out, see if you like it. And then it's $49 a month thereafter, and you can cancel at any time. You can also get 2 months for free if you pay for an annual membership. So if you pay for a whole year, it's $495, which works out to about 2 months free. Okay, so it's kind of premature for me to be talking to you at this point in this video. If you're brand new and this is your first time hearing about Wealthy Affiliate, it's kind of premature for me to be talking to you about upgrading to the premium membership. But like I say, I just like to be upfront from the beginning, because I don't know about you, but I can't stand it when I sit through a whole video or really, if I sit through a whole webinar and I get to the bottom and it turns out they're selling something that's like $3,000, I hate that. Okay, so I'll never do that to you on this channel. So that's the reason I mention it. Free starter membership gets 20 classes, free website. Premium membership, $19 for your first month, $49 a month thereafter, unless you want to get the annual and you save a little bit of money that way. So like I say, as with anything, if you ever have any questions about the process of building a website or any aspect of your online business, please feel free to comment on any of my articles, reply to any of my emails, or comment at the bottom of any of my videos. I'm always here to help you. I'm happy to answer questions. So I hope that this has helped you. Again, I'm going to give you the link to this article. I'm going to give you the link to the video that's going to show you how to set up your website in 30 seconds. And I'm going to give you the links for all the information about Wealthy Affiliate. And I'm also going to give you a link to go ahead and sign up for my email subscriber list. So again, thanks so much for watching. I hope that I've helped you. If I did, please give me a like, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Again, my name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.